Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about Tailor Brands pricing in 2025 and how much does Tailor brand really cost. So here you can see you can start a kickstart with your dream with all these products. So if I talk about the package of LL like Tailor Brands, like here we are going to open into the incognito window and let's go to this plan, and here you will get the service they are providing you. So if you want to use this service you can do it, like it is reliable for you. Then here we have the resources, and if I talk about the pricing, let's scroll down and let's see. Here we have the pricing panel. So here you can see we have this light version which charges only $0, and here you will this plan, like you will get features like from your LLC, process the LLC within 14 business days, then invoicing and bookkeeping on the trial version, and you will get annual compliance, mandatory reporting, filing and updates, and you are allowed to establish operating agreement also. So if you find out that this was really good, you can go just click to the get started. Then you have this essential, it is recommended from this Tailor brand. So here you can see that it starts from $199 per year plus state fees. So here you will get in this plan like from your LLC, like LLC formation, then $13 Amazon gift card you will get, then invoicing and bookkeeping, free 13-day trial it is available, then you will get legal compliance, and also you will get expedited processing and also business coaching program. And into the elite version you can see the price for yearly is $249 plus state fees, and it will give you a $15 Amazon gift card, and also similar with the other plan, LLC formations, invoicing, bookkeeping and legal compliance, expedited processing, and also it will also provide you the domain, website, business coaching program. And here you can see you will get online business and branding tools like 1 year free domain, DIY do it yourself website, online store, then 8 free logos and many more. As you know, the Tailor Brands is all in one platform where you will get everything in one place. Like here actually you can see that you will get plan like LLC formation in registered agent. Then if I search LLC Tailor Brands, here actually you can see their features, like this kind of a feature you will get. I already have an account here, so it already landed on into the studio. So I am right now using the free plan, and in the free plan they are giving us the recommendation like I am able to print the logo, then I can ensure my customer like a domain, then I can create an LLC, then website, legal documentation, and also the business card I'm getting in this free plan. So if you upgrade this you will get further more options. It is so much easy to use Tailor Brands, and it's really help you to grow your business and make a brand foolproof. As a beginner I will suggest you to go with this Tailor brand if you are a newbie. So let's wrap up the video here. If you think this video was really informative and helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any question related to the topic, then ask me on the comment box. I will give a reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.